I've been doing this job a long time.
People like to talk about the targets. Think it made them feel better.
Why don't you care who the guy is?
They never got what it was really all about. Which was, in 10 minutes, they're not gonna be anybody.
Knox, you okay? Knox.
You have a very rare form of dementia.
How much time do I have?
Weeks, not months. I'm sorry.
That's okay, Doc. Even if I hated you for telling me, I'd forget soon enough.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to show up like this.
Do I know you?
Dad, please.
Miles, what happened?
This guy hurt my daughter. So I killed him. I never asked you for anything in my life. But I'm desperate.
Why does he hate you so much?
They found out what I did for a living.
The police are all over this. You don't pull this off, this all goes to hell.
I'm getting worse every hour. It's like a curtain coming down. I'm running out of time.
They finally got up to you, huh?
There's no coming back from this one. It was you.
What?
You turned me in.
That's not true, Dad. You're losing it. Something's wrong with you.
John, good luck.
I swore I'd never be like you.
And here we are.